Welcome to this tutorial on automating content generation with AI during imports using WP Ultimate CSV Importer. In this video, you'll discover how to connect AI models like Gemini, ChatGPT, and Claude to your WordPress site, and use them to automatically generate rich, SEO-friendly posts and product content during the import process. This means faster publishing, less manual writing, and smarter content creation, all in one streamlined workflow. Let's get started. First, let's configure the AI integration. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WP Ultimate CSV Importer and click on Settings. Here, you'll find the new AI credential section. You can connect with different AI providers like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude. Choose one provider and provide its API key. For example, if you select Claude, paste your API key here, and click Save to save the changes. Once set, your WordPress site is now ready to request AI-generated content during imports. Importing posts with AI content. Now let's see how to import posts with AI-generated descriptions, or full content. This is the import file I have prepared. Okay, now visit the dashboard. Go to the Import/Update tab and upload your import file. Choose the file type here. For now, it's posts. I'll let the fresh import selected. Click Continue. Match your columns to WordPress fields. For the content field, I select Header Manipulation. Click on this settings icon. It'll open a window like this. Here choose the option AI. Enter the prompt in this prompt area like, write a 200-word blog post about, post_title, in an engaging and informative style. Close the window and map other necessary fields. You can also generate images for the featured image fields following the same method. Click Continue. Click Import now. While the import is running, the plugin sends your prompt and file data to Claude, and fills in the post content dynamically. In just a few minutes, you'll have fully generated WordPress post content without writing a single paragraph yourself. Importing products with AI content. Next, let's import WooCommerce products with AI-generated descriptions. This time, we'll use ChatGPT as the AI provider. Okay, this is the product import file I have. Now move to the plugin import page. Upload your product file. Select WooCommerce products from the drop-down. Map your fields, and for the product description fields, select Header Manipulation. Click Settings icon and choose AI. Start to type the prompt here. Enter a product-specific prompt, such as, create a persuasive SEO-friendly product description in 20 words with post_title. Map all other fields and click Continue. Click Import. Once the import starts, WP Ultimate CSV Importer will fetch descriptions generated from ChatGPT for each product and import them. After the import completes, check your products in WordPress. You'll see the AI-generated content already in place ready for publishing or further editing. This workflow saves hours of manual writing, keeps your content consistent, and helps scale your website faster than ever before. That's how you can use WP Ultimate CSV Importer with Gemini, ChatGPT, and Claude to generate WordPress content automatically during imports. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and check the description for links to full documentation. Thanks for watching.